Hey Mateo, how you doing? This is Leo again. We spoke earlier. I just wanted to shoot over this quick video showing some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website when you get one and your Google business profile. I would appreciate to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. So as you see here, here is your website, and this is the free website that comes with your Google My Business, which is totally fine starting out. But you definitely want to move out from that. You definitely want to get your own website. That way you can draw more traffic, because Google doesn't allow you to build out pages and have more content on here. So that's what Google is looking for to search for. So this ain't a bad starting point, but you definitely got to grow from here. And if you don't grow from here, it's harder to grow your business. Now, as you can see right here, this image is saved as all these numbers. You can take that and change it to roof repair, Bowling Green, Kentucky, roof replacement, Bowling Green, Kentucky, re-roof, Bowling Green, Kentucky, something that has the service that you do and the location you want to be found for. There's not a lot on this page. I've actually found you right here at the bottom of page 1, which is great. You're on the first page, because 75% of people don't even click on that second page. If they don't find somebody within the first 3 or 4 normally, they're definitely not going to go to that second page. So I wanted to reach out to you before anything happened. I definitely don't want to see you trickling this off into the second page, because it'll dead a business no more than it hits it, because nobody's going to search off that second page. So what I've actually done is I pulled up your number one competitor, and I wanted to go over a couple things on their website. This is the whole reason I'm reaching out, is because these websites are very beatable. There's nothing implemented on these websites that Google wants to see. They're just at the top because of the couple keywords that they have, which we'll go over in a moment, and probably because of age. But if we implement the things that I'm going to show you in this video, we can definitely outrank these guys. So the first thing I noticed is they don't have any content. You need about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on your home page. And that is because Google bots go all over these websites 24/7 searching for keywords. Buyer intent keywords. They're looking for content. They're looking for interlinks. They're looking for bodes. And this website is definitely lacking all those things, and they're number one. So they're definitely beatable. Like I said, throughout the content, you want to make sure you have buyer intent keywords so Google finds you. And I do recommend, if you get your website, to make sure that you have your call to action button up here. This is something that they actually did really good, is they've got many ways to contact them. You can call, email, schedule an appointment. You can even make a payment here. So that's pretty cool. You can talk to someone. That is definitely something that would need to be implemented on your website. Now, what I did is I've actually put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics, and it's going to show me where you're setting. Now, this is your UR and your DR. This is the strength and the trust of your website. And the reason this number is so high is because it is a Google website that was given to you, so they're definitely going to trust that. So let's take a look at your number one competitor. They have 26 and a 6. And again, this is the strength of their site, and this is how much Google trusts that site. So with 344 backlinks and 6 on the DR, that means they have a lot of spammy backlinks. And a backlink is a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal. There are some that are spammy, and there's some that are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to the industry that's local to you. As of right now, you have 0 keywords that you're being indexed for. So that just kind of makes this a digital business card that you have here. It's not a lead generating tool. Now, these guys over here don't have a lot of traffic a month. This number should be way higher. But it's not a digital business card. They're actually generating leads through this. You know, if you got that traffic and even close 10% of them, that's 6-7 extra jobs a month for re-roofs, roof replacement, roof repair, things like that. And of course, those lead into redecking houses, gutters, things like that. So, you know, there's a lot of room to grow here. I also wanted to talk to you about the keywords that they're using. You really want to go after the buyer intent keywords that people are searching for, because that's how they're looking for your services. Now, that right here, they're being found for roof inspection Bowling Green, which is 80 searches a month, local roofing Bowling Green 70, and roofing companies in Bowling Green, Kentucky. So that is 200 searches right there that they're being found for a month just for those 3 keywords. Now I want to go back here real quick and show you. These is the buyer intent keyword that I searched, and that's how I found you, was roofers, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Because if someone's looking for service, that's exactly how they're going to type it in, or they're going to say roofers in Bowling Green, Kentucky, which is a totally different buyer intent keyword. This top section up here is where you see local ads and Google ads, but that's definitely a great way to get business quickly. But as soon as you stop paying for those ads, you'll fall in the rankings and people won't find you. That is the importance of ranking organically. Now down here is the map pack. You definitely want to be in these top 3 because they pull 30 to 40% of the business. And down here is the organic search. Okay, so you're not up here right now, and that's fine. There's several ways to get to this top 3. You want to make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character About Us section that you need to fill out completely. And don't forget to add the keywords in there as well. Posting the branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly. It really helps you rank organically. And that's like I showed you at the beginning of the video, how to save those pictures as roofing, Bowling Green, Kentucky, things like that. Also, you can get up here by adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number, and things like Yext, Yellow Pages, Yelp. Because at the end of the day, honestly, Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, it will make Google trust you more, and it will boost your business, but not only in your area, in your surrounding areas as well. Again, being up here in this area is going to have you 30 or 40% of your business going to come from there. Now back down to the organics again. I want to show you this. The first one ranked, the first roofing business, is CMS Roofing, and that's the page that I had pulled up from the beginning. And that's the whole reason for the call today, is because the number 1 people that's controlling these number 1 spots organically are easy to beat, and it's not going to take a lot to knock them off those ranks. If you implement having more content on your website, you can outrank them, along with adding some backlinks and things like that. Now, I'm going to show you these last thing up here. I searched keywords for your area. Local roofer Bowling Green is 70. They had that word over that keyword phrase over there as well. Local roofer Bowling Green, Kentucky. Roof repair Bowling Green, Kentucky. But what we'll do is get in here and add all these high-powered keywords, put them in your site, and you start pulling these search volumes every day that people are searching for them. So throughout the month, the Google Analytics will jump that number up. The Google bots will locate these in your website and start pushing you up further and further. So not only will you be top 3 and on the first page in Google Maps, but you'll be there organically as well. So I definitely hope that this video was helpful, Mateo. Again, I appreciate you taking the time to talk with me today and give me your email so I can get this video sent to you. I appreciate your time. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out, because I could also be a resource for you if need be. Have a great day, Mateo.